Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble energy in Infinity Nikki. Bubble energy is a very special currency, unique to certain limited-time bubble season events within the game. Unlike other resources you might collect during your adventures or quests, this particular energy cannot be acquired through standard gameplay. It serves a distinct purpose, offering exclusive rewards to those who obtain it during these special periods. The only way to acquire bubble energy is by making select real money purchases directly from the in-game store. This means you won't find it as a drop from enemies or a reward for completing daily tasks. Look for Stellarite purchases, special diamond or vital energy gift bundles, and certain featured packs. Even seasonal battle passes often include bubble energy as a valuable bonus, making them a great option. To efficiently gather bubble energy, focus on strategic purchases. For example, combining the Diamond Monthly Gift and Vital Energy Weekly Gift can provide 360 bubble energy for a modest cost. The basic seasonal battle pass is another excellent choice, often granting around 680 bubble energy. You will need a total of 980 bubble energy to unlock all available rewards. Once you start accumulating bubble energy, it automatically contributes to unlocking tiers of fantastic rewards on the Bubble Gratitude tab. There are 5 distinct tiers in total, each offering valuable items like hundreds of diamonds, bling, and various prisms for customizing your outfits. The grand prize for reaching the final tier is the beautiful 3-star Bubbles Hometown outfit, a truly special addition to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.